Hi everyone, welcome to the very first episode of our Adobe Illustrator series. If you're looking to design logos, business cards, social media posts, children's book illustrations, or even start animation and digital art, you're in right place. Adobe Illustrator is one of the most powerful and popular vector graphic design software tools in the world. Developed by Adobe, it's been evolving since 1987 and is now a global industry standard. So you might be asking, why should I learn Illustrator? Here is why. Vector graphics can be resized without losing quality. Your design can go from a business card to a giant billboard with zero blur. It's the go-to tool for professional graphic designers worldwide. Whether you work freelance or for a company, Illustrator is one of the key tools you will be expected to know. You can turn your Illustrator skills into real income, like design logos, sell vector files online, or teach others like I'm doing right now. In this series, we'll be learning step by step about how to use the Illustrator workspace and tools, drawing basic shapes, coloring and gradients, working with the text and typography, logo design, business card layout, professional illustration, exporting for paint and digital, how to build a graphic design portfolio. And in today's video, we'll get familiar with the interface, learn what vector art actually means, and understand how it's different from Photoshop. Photoshop is pixel-based, but Illustrator is vector-based. Each has its purpose. When it comes to clean, scalable, and printable designs, Illustrator is the king. If this sounds exciting to you, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Starting next episode, we'll dive into the actual tools and start designing together. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.